Tired of reading through long OneDrive files just to get the gist? Learn how to summarize any document in seconds with Gemini. If you have been opening file after file, scrolling, searching for the key points, and closing them again, this workflow is going to save you so much time. I have tested this exact process, and it works right inside your browser. No copying text, no switching tabs, no pasting into another tool. You stay right where you already are. I will show you the exact steps. Open the menu, launch Gemini, type your prompt, and get a summary instantly. It is that simple. So let me walk you through it. Start with the first action. Locate the three-dot menu on your document. Now, this is the menu that shows up for almost every file in OneDrive. You will see it near the file name or next to the document preview. It looks like three small dots stacked vertically. Go ahead and click that. This is your gateway to all the extra actions you can take on a file. And right now, we are looking for one specific option. From the menu, select the option to open Gemini in Chrome. Now, this option might not be at the very top of the list. Scroll down a little. You are looking for something that says Open With or directly mentions Gemini. In my experience, once you click it, OneDrive will prompt your browser to open a side panel or a new tab with Gemini, ready to go. Do not worry if it takes a second to load. It is just pulling up the AI so it can see the document you have selected. This is the bridge between your file and the assistant. Once it is open, you will see the familiar Gemini interface waiting for your input. Now that Gemini is open, type your prompt. For example, summarize the page. And here is the really important part. Your prompt can be as simple or as detailed as you want. If you just need the main points, type summarize the page. Done. But if you want something more specific, try asking for a bulleted list of key takeaways or a summary in 3 sentences. You can even ask it to focus on a specific section if your document is very long. I usually start with summarize the page and then ask follow-up questions if I need more depth. The AI is looking at the entire document, so it can handle whatever you throw at it. Just make sure you are clear and direct. The more specific you are, the better the result. After typing your prompt, press Enter to get the summary. This is the satisfying part. You will see the AI start generating its response almost instantly. It reads the document, pulls out the main ideas, and writes them out in plain language right there in the chat. In a few seconds, you have a clean summary without having to read the full file. Now you can take that summary, use it for notes, or ask follow-up questions right in the same chat. Want to know more about a specific point? Just type your question and press Enter again. So there you have it. A few clicks, one prompt, and you went from scrolling through a long document to having its core information ready in seconds. Next time you open OneDrive and see a file you are dreading to read, remember this workflow. It takes almost no time, and it puts the power of Gemini right where you need it most. Give it a try on your next document and see how much time you save.